Amazon stock 53. I remind that this is just the point of view of an investor. Please. This is not a recommendation to buy shares, or nothing to do at all with such business or the broker business. So please think of it just as an investor's point of view. For example, we have share buyouts. Then Jeff and Mackenzie are selling shares like fast. There must be a competition between both of them. Now, who goes first to the moon, or who gives most to the planet? But the question is, if we have outflow 8 billion per month and inflow 24, are we worried? Not so. Should we really have a plan now that earnings have grown 50%? Yes. Could we have a buyout plan, let's say 30 billion per year? Then we would offset these Jeff and Mackenzie's need to sell shares, wouldn't we? But the reason for this video is the organic expansion of Amazon. See, we don't need to do nothing because the bureaucracy, we have 23 ministers, we have each of them having something like 500 buildings, total 50,000 buildings just in Spain, each making small medium companies fill this document and provide the VAT this date. If not, you get fined. If not, you get fined. And every day they get more complicated documents to be filled by small medium companies, which the focus should be profit. But they cannot, because the tax is so high, as I mentioned in previous videos, not only in Spain, but throughout the planet for small medium companies. Why? Because politicians have no remorse. You see, every time they talk, they get paid and they buy media and so on. Therefore, please read this article. There is 129,000 small medium companies since January to October. 129,000 small medium companies. I repeat, 129,000 small medium since January to October. Eliminated, disappeared small medium companies. Yes, they have no remorse at all. So what is the really action to do? Well, my point of view is invest in Amazon. Who is going to eat that market share? Every day there is going to be 10,000, 11,000 per month small medium companies dead. Thanks to bureaucrats, thanks to taxes. They are not going to lower those. They will have summits and summits and summits. So, are you going to invest in Amazon? Please do not use this video as a recommendation, but I am. Thank you. Bye.